Start.
IP addresses are used just so anything connected to the internet really can communicate and locate one another. The addresses are typically represented with dotted lines and come in um, four different numbers between 0 and 255. And I just put an example right there. There are assigned to specific devices that are connected to the network IP addresses. They can be assigned to a physical and virtual interfaces on devices. Who's next? It's Kyle. Increases in ports. Different types of network media have a variety of benefits and features. Each link also needs a specific network technology. A layer 2 switch does not need an IP address. Types of network media are twisted pair copper cables, fiber optic cables, coaxial cables, and just wireless. Ethernet ports are found on end user devices, switch devices, and other network devices.
Okay, that was a good answer. My mic doesn't work. All right, configuring networks. Commands and utilities like ipconfig to verify a PC host network configuration. You may also use commands to verify the interface and address settings of an intermediary device like switches and routers. You can also use the ping command connectivity to test connectivity to another device on the network or website or internet. Anyone? 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 Group three. Group three.
I'll just go for them. Device requires configuration of an IPv4 address and subnet mask in order for it to communicate over the network. IP address configuration can be done both manually and automatically. IP address configuration allows for communication over a local network. To automatically complete IP address configuration, we use dynamic host configuration protocol, which is also abbreviated as DHCP. The DNS server addresses are the IPv4 addresses of the domain name system servers, which are used to translate IP addresses to domain names.
Good. All right. Here are the questions, folks. I'll read them to you. What is the purpose of an IP address? Where are Ethernet ports found? And which servers are used to translate IP addresses? The answers to these are here. There you go. So these are the answers to the questions. These will be posted on Schoology with a link. Thank you for joining us on our first presentation of the school year.